Introduction to Artificial Intelligence in Everyday Examples. What is intelligence? Intelligence means the ability to learn and think. It helps us understand things and solve problems. Intelligence helps us use knowledge in the right way. It allows us to adapt to new situations. It helps us make good decisions from experience. Intelligence can be different for different people. Types of intelligence. Interpersonal intelligence. Naturalistic intelligence. Intrapersonal intelligence.
The class leader. Interpersonal intelligence. Good at working with others. Understands feelings of people. Communicates clearly. Helps solve arguments in a group. Makes sure the team works smoothly. Example. Assigns work based on classmates' strengths. The nature lover. Naturalistic intelligence. Loves plants, animals, and nature. Notices small details in the environment. Can identify plants, birds, or insects. Understands the natural world. Learns best through nature and outdoor activities.
The daydreamer. Intrapersonal intelligence. Understands own feelings. Knows personal strengths and weaknesses. Plans how to study better. Uses methods like drawing or quiet music. Learns best by self-reflection. Makes positive choices for self-improvement. Artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, AI, makes machines smart. AI helps machines think and act like humans. AI machines can analyze data, recognize patterns, solve problems, make decisions. AI machines learn from experience. AI improves its performance over time. Computing and intelligence. Computing. Using computers to do mathematical and logical calculations. Intelligence. Ability to learn, think, reason, and decide. When computing plus intelligence come together, it forms artificial intelligence. Machines can simulate human intelligence. History of artificial intelligence. AI started as simple rule-based programs. Over time, AI became more powerful. AI can now learn from data, reason and think, create and improve. Ancient ideas of intelligent machines. Long ago, people made simple machines called automations. Automations worked using water, gears, and levers. They could repeat fixed tasks. They could not think or learn. These machines helped people imagine thinking machines. Example, water clock used in ancient Egypt and Greece. Alan Turing and machine intelligence. Alan Turing was a famous mathematician. He asked the question, can machines think? His ideas started the study of machine intelligence. He introduced the Turing test. The test checks if a machine can act like a human. Birth of artificial intelligence, AI. AI officially began in 1956. The first AI research was held at Dartmouth College. John McCarthy gave the name artificial intelligence. Early AI machines could solve problems, play simple games. AI progress slowed in the 1980s to 1990s. This slow period is called AI winter. Founding Fathers of Artificial Intelligence. 1956 is known as the birth year of AI. Many scientists helped develop AI. Their work focused on problem solving, machine learning, computer thinking. They help machines think and make decisions. Important AI pioneers include John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Claude Shannon, Herbert A. Simon, Alan Newell. The Founding Fathers of AI. Modern artificial intelligence. Rapid growth started in the 2000s. Computers became faster, cheaper, more powerful. AI systems can store and process large data, learn from data, not just rules, improve over time. Modern AI can recognize images, understand speech, make simple decisions. Artificial intelligence in our daily life. AI is a part of our everyday life. It helps make tasks easier, faster, and smarter. AI works by learning from data and making decisions. Many times we use AI without realizing it. Examples of AI in daily life. Smart home devices. Smart lights and fans adjust automatically. Smart thermostats control temperature. AI-based vacuum cleaners clean rooms. Smartphones. Voice assistants like Siri and Google. Camera features like portrait mode. AI works in apps and phone features. Banking and finance. Detects fraud and unusual transactions. Sends alerts and automated messages. Helps with customer service. Healthcare. Helps find and diagnose diseases. Supports doctors in treatment planning. Used in hospitals and medical research. E-commerce. Suggests products you may like. Gives personal recommendations. Uses chatbots for help. Security and monitoring. Recognizes faces and objects. Detects unusual activities. Sends security alerts. Video games. Computer players think and plan moves. Helps AI play games like chess. Improves decision-making skills. Drones and smart cars. Used in self-driving cars. Drones used in defense and delivery. Make smart movement decisions. Scanning apps. Google Lens and OCR. Identifies objects and text from images. Converts scanned text into editable text. Improves image quality and cropping. Search engines. Helps find information quickly. Shows most relevant results. Uses AI to understand search questions. Understanding what is not AI. Some machines work only on fixed instructions. This is called automation. Automation machines do not think or learn. Give the same output every time. AI machines think and learn from data. Can make decisions. Example of automation: microwave oven, traffic lights. Automation versus artificial intelligence. Automation works on fixed rules. Cannot learn. Needs human changes. Example: washing machine, traffic signals. Artificial intelligence learns from data. Improves over time. Can adjust on its own. Example: voice assistant, face recognition. Human intelligence and machine intelligence. Human intelligence develops naturally with experience, learns from emotions and senses. Very adaptable, can think creatively, has emotions and self-awareness. Slower but flexible thinking. Machine intelligence created using programs and data. Learns from training data. Limited adaptability. Follows patterns. No emotions or self-awareness. Faster and more accurate in tasks. How does AI learn? AI learns from data. Data can be pictures, text, numbers, or sounds. AI finds patterns in data. AI improves its performance over time. Types of data. Labeled data. Data with names or tags. Unlabeled data. Data without names or tags. Example: labeled data. A teacher collects notebooks after a test. Each notebook has the student's name written on it. The teacher can easily know whose notebook it is. This is called labeled data because the name is already given. Example: unlabeled data. A teacher collects notebooks after a test. The notebooks do not have names written on them. The teacher has to guess by looking at handwriting or answers. This is called unlabeled data because there is no name or label. Machine learning, ML. What is machine learning? Machine learning is how AI learns from data. ML helps machines improve without new programming. Machines are trained using data. ML helps AI make predictions, recognize patterns, make decisions. The three fundamental concepts of machine learning are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. 1. Supervised learning uses labeled data, learns from correct answers, makes correct predictions on new data. Examples: email spam detection, image recognition, house price prediction, handwritten digit recognition, medical diagnosis. Key concepts. First, the computer is given labeled shapes like triangles, squares, circles, and diamonds. Each shape has a name, label. The computer learns to tell the shapes apart. Next, it is shown new shapes without names. The computer uses what it learned to name the shapes correctly. This shows how computers learn from examples and classify new data. 2. Unsupervised learning uses unlabeled data, finds hidden patterns, groups similar data together. Examples: customer grouping, document clustering, fraud detection, anomaly detection, social network analysis. Key concepts. The computer is given data without names or labels. It looks at the data and finds similarities in patterns. Similar items are grouped together. These groups are called clusters. When new data is given, the computer places it in the correct group. This method is used to find hidden patterns in data. 3. Reinforcement learning. Learns by trial and error. Uses rewards and penalties. Improves actions step by step. Examples: game-playing AI, self-driving cars, robot movement, recommendation systems improvement. The computer learns by trial and error. There are two main parts: agent right-pointing arrow, the learner; environment right-pointing arrow, where the action happens. The agent looks at the situation and takes an action. After the action, it gets feedback. Reward for a correct action. No reward or less reward for a wrong action. The agent improves its next decision using this feedback. By repeating this many times, it learns the best action. This helps the computer choose the right shape, like a square, circle, triangle, or diamond. Points to remember. Intelligence is the ability to learn, think, and solve problems. Not all automated machines use artificial intelligence. AI learns from data using machine learning. AI improves its performance over time through experience and feedback. There are three types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning.